I can understand English, but I can't speak it. If you also feel the same, then this video is for you. No grammar overload, no stress, but simple steps, real life examples और बहुत सारा fun. So let's begin. Hey everyone, my name is Karishma, your English coach. आज हम बात करेंगे एक super important topic पे कि English बोलना कैसे शुरू करें, especially for beginners. Section 1. Start small. Use simple sentences. Don't think आप day one पे Shakespeare बन जाओगे. So always aim for small sentences that you are already aware of. For example, I want water. I am going out. Let me play. You already know these sentences. Speak them loud, repeat it daily. The more you speak, more natural it feels. Section number 2. Think in English and not your native language. Tip number 2. Try speaking only in English and with small sentences. जितने भी beginners होते हैं, they always think to speak in Hindi first and then they translate in English. For example, मुझे पानी चाहिए and then they translate in I want water. Instead, start thinking directly into English. Keep it small but only into English. For example, I need water. I need help. I'm going out. Keep it simple, but only in English. Tip number 3. Practice in front of mirror. Yes, talk to yourself. It may sound funny, but this always work. So stand in front of mirror and say, "Hi, my name is Rahul. I'm playing cricket. I'm learning English," and so on. Tip number 4. Copy native speakers. This is also called shadowing method. So start watching a movie scene or a podcast or any other scene. Pause after one sentence and then repeat the same what you have saw or what you heard. For example, you hear, "Hey, what's up?" And then you repeat the same in the same accent. "Hey, what's up?" So this helps you build your accent, your flow. This builds confidence and fluency. And bonus tip, you will also improve your body language. Tip number 5. Use English in daily life. Don't wait for perfection, just say what you learn. Example situations. Want to go out? Let's go outside. Want something? I want some tea. Want to text? Let's start texting with the small sentences. And here's a bonus tip. Learn new 5 English words every day. Not the words, but with sentences. For example, clean. I clean my room every day. Early. I woke up early today. Use them in your real sentences and not just in your notebook. Make mistakes, laugh at them, learn, and move on. English बोलना is like riding a bicycle. साइकिल चलाते हैं, गिरते हैं, फिर उठते हैं, फिर चलाते हैं, and then you are done. This is the simple way and the same manner you are going to learn English. So don't be shy. Start learning, start progressing, and remember, छोटी progress भी progress होती है. Drop a comment in the chat box and tell me आपने आज कौन सा English sentence सीखा. And if you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share it with your friends, and also subscribe for more such English related content.